The Aqua Splash Pro Weekender Premium Pool Package brings family fun and entertainment to your backyard. This above-ground hybrid pool model blends the strength of steel and the beauty of resin to create the perfect pool for your family. The wall patterns illustrate a subtle silhouette of trees, which are highlighted in a beautiful gray tone to blend seamlessly with any backyard decor. The Weekender Premium is 52 inches tall and boasts a strong yet modern 7-inch resin top rails and bottom rails. The vertical uprights are made from heavy-duty steel and give this pool the perfect foundation for many years of enjoyment. The two-piece rust-proof resin top connectors and foot collars provide a contrasting hint of color, which creates the perfect finishing touch to this beautiful swimming pool. The Weekender Premium is offered in a variety of round sizes so that you can be sure to find the perfect fit for your backyard oasis. Add this gorgeous pool to your backyard and relax your cares away all summer long.